Sunday home reset and using some thrifted finds to do some home decor. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Sunday home reset day. So today I'll show you what I've done already. I'll bring you up a little closer. This mirror was never attached to the dresser, so we got that attached today. My husband did that. That was great. So now it's all attached. And I decided to switch out. I had a big box here to put my sleep apnea machine under, and it took up too much room. It was pretty, but it took up a lot of room, so I got this little basket. I thrifted it. It was $2. That's a cute basket. Anyhow, this is my sleep apnea machine, so that just fits right over top like that. And I tuck the hose and the cord away where I can get to it. And I just put the little thrifted gloves there and my crown. And I put this, it's a tablecloth, I just put that along the mirror. Because the mirror is pretty old and pretty scratched up, but I still like it. So that's what we did here. And of course in my bedroom, I made my bed and made it look all pretty. Okay, we have a big bowl here with ice in it. It's got boiled eggs that my husband made. Your tray for fun. That's always a fun home reset. Okay, now we're going to put our two-tiered tray together with our kitchen finds from the thrift store. We'll put our little scale right there. And we'll put our Parmesan cheese fella right back there. And we have this cute little owl. She's going to kind of stand right out front. We have this little jar, which is pretty cute. And that can go there. And we have this orange or lemon squeezer. And that's going to sit right there. That's our top layer. And our bottom one, I have this nice yellow riser. I have lots of yellow in the kitchen, so thought this would be fun to have yellow on here. Okay, now I've got the egg cup. It's a little wire egg cup. Thought it was cute. And I bought some of these cork coasters with the rooster on it. And I thought that would look cute to hold that up. And these you've seen before, my salt and pepper shakers. They're older. I have my kitchen, the syrup jar, and I'm just going to place it right back there, nice and tall. And put the salt and pepper there. There we go. And these are rubber fruit jar rings. And I like the color of the box. I thought it was pretty. It's got the yellow in it. It goes with our theme. And I have this little tea. You put your tea, loose tea in there to make tea. I have that. And I just needed something tall to put right in there. So I just found this wooden block that says O on it. And I put it in there. I think I'll put the rooster back a bit. I want to be able to see that stand. Okay, Mr. Rooster. There we go. So I'm going to add some greenery. Put a little bit back there. Whoops. You guys can still see. Put a piece here. Oops. The greenery just kind of brings it all together. Okay, you guys, stand up there. There we go. Maybe put 2 sprigs back there. We'll put a few here. There we go. And we have quite a big space right here. So I'm going to put, oh, doggone it, that rooster. Maybe I'll squish those up and see if it'll hold it better. And I'd like you to see that it's an egg cup and that it's roost. Oh, okay, there, I think I got her now. So maybe if I get some greenery stuck in here, it'll help hold it up a bit in place. There we go. And we'll put a little bit of greenery out front here. I watched somebody doing tier trays on YouTube, and they said if you put greenery in, it kind of modernizes the tiered tray. Look. So, there it is. Our little tiered tray. I think it looks cute. And I'll push it back to its home. And I have the kitchen towel. And of course I'm going to keep my cookie jar out because it's very spring and summer with the yellow tulips. It goes with the yellow in the tiered tray. So I think that looks pretty nice. So we've got it back in its home. Looks cute. And that's our tiered tray. Probably for the spring and the summer. We'll change it up in the fall. Okay, the Sunday home reset is done, and it took me till Wednesday. And I still have a load of laundry to fold and put away, but that's okay. It can just sit there for a little bit. But the living room's all nice and clean, and the puppies are happy. Yes, are you gonna go in your bed, buddy? Rusty's in his bed. Yeah, Buddy's going in his bed. That's a good boy. And I cleaned down here and dusted, and the stairs are all nice and clean. I got a new rug for there. And the little vestibule looks good. Now we'll go up the stairs. And the hallway is all cleaned up nice. And the bathroom is nice and clean. Everything's spick and span. All reset for, well, till next Sunday, I guess. I don't know. Takes this old lady a few days to do her Sunday reset, but it's okay. Turn the light off in the bathroom, and we'll head to the bedroom. And the bedroom's all nice and clean. Everything's smells fresh because I always have the window open. And the bed's all pretty. And my dresser's pretty. And I don't know if you saw in my other video, but I changed out the flowery box for this little basket just to put over top of my sleep apnea machine, and I like that better. I think my dresser looks pretty sweet. It's just an old dresser that David's mom and dad had. They probably got it when they were first married. And David has a dresser too from their house. Okay, we'll come out of our bedroom, and hopefully I'm not going too fast, making you dizzy. We go into our kitchen, and the kitchen's all nice and clean. And my hubby did the dishes this morning, so that's nice. Everything's nice and clean. I got the floors all done. My wreaths are on for the summer and the spring. And I'll probably change the table up a little bit, but not yet. And I showed you my April calendar. It's a cute one. And the counters are all nice and clean. Everything's put away. And I did my summer and spring 2-tiered tray with older kitchen items. And I thought it turned out pretty cute. So that's my Sunday refresh. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, which will be Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Bye.